viewers. Good evening, good morning. I am back with my live this week, and this week's topic is about ideal relationship. So, typically, an ideal relationship is one where you have trust, you have a commitment, and you have a respect for each other, and that is alive day to day in your relationship. So, that becomes one of the ways to look at an ideal relationship. So, the relationship that I'm going to talk about today is about growing older together, or are you growing together? Are you with your partner or with your spouse? Have you been experiencing in the past years you have been together that you have evolved in the relationship, that from where you began to where you are right now, you have evolved in your relationship with your partner? Or it's just about getting older and it's just about doing certain set of things, set of tasks and activities on a repeat mode, day to day, year on year basis? So an ideal relationship is somewhere there is a growth story, and definitely you both are not today from where you have begun, and the age also plays an important role in adding the experiences, how we are getting older or growing or evolving in that relationship. So the other aspect about a relationship is about the ups and downs that we face. So the commitment of staying together, no matter what. There is vulnerability when there is an intimate relationship. You face your fears, you face your insecurities, and you really face that vulnerable you in an intimate relationship. But when you have ups and downs throwing at you, from life is throwing at you, you still hang on with each other, you still support each other, you help the other person get up and get going. So you become a strong emotional support system that helps your partner in growing and making the effort to challenge what's going on and overcome those challenges, and being peaceful and fulfilled about the life that you are going through together. So evolving in a relationship, growing in a relationship, supporting each other during ups and downs, and having the commitment in place, having the respect for each other, and the most important aspect is the trust. You keep building on the trust that you have with each other, so that the love in that relationship is always, it's on the blossoming side. It's never out, and you always experience that love in your relationship. So this is about my perception about how ideal relationships are. And if you are seeing that you are not contributing to each other in your growth story, then it's time to talk about it. Talk about this to your partner, where you can contribute to their growth story and how you can contribute for the future that you're creating together. And don't miss out, and acknowledge, appreciate for who you are for each other, and what's happened so far and what is going on is complete and it's totally perfect, and you resolve all your differences and conflicts and look at the future from now, that how you are going to contribute to each other in this relationship, where you see growth and where you see that you evolve as a better human being. You become the best version of yourself and for each other, staying together and becoming the strongest and biggest support system for each other. So that would be an ideal relationship in my perspective. And building trust and having goals, relationship goals, career goals, personal goals together, and support each other in achieving them. So that's all from me today about an ideal relationship. So you can look at and talk to your partner about what is it so far, and how you experience that you are contributing to each other, and how you can do it better, that it contributes in a bigger way and in a fulfilling way to each other for your future goals that you are creating and going for it from now. So thank you so much for watching the live, and share your comments and the topics that you would like to hear from me. I am a leadership coach from A Million Stars Academy, and I will be here live every week 8 p.m. with some amazing insights on personal development and leadership abilities. Thank you so much. Take care. Love you. Bye.